Okay, so we are making, what am I making? Cajun chicken and rice. So I have some olive oil in here. I'm going to add, I've already cut up half an onion, half a bell pepper, and 1 rib of celery, which is basically your holy trinity. You want to use that in anything Cajun that you cook, or it won't be very Cajun-y. I have 3 garlic cloves minced up, but they were kind of small. I'm really hating the small garlic. I'm going to saute this for a minute. I have my rice rinsed. You should always, always, always rinse your rice before cooking it until the water runs clear. It's just my opinion. Plus you'll have a better product. Also, adding oil whenever you cook rice will help it to be fluffy. If you have problems with your rice being sticky and clumpy, that's probably why. So the oil in here is a good thing for the rice. And I'll be the first to admit rice is not like one of my best qualities in the cooking department. Can you guys even see? So that's a half a bell pepper, a rib of celery, and half of a onion. And I'm going to be using my canned chicken and broth today, but you can do this with raw chicken. Also, with doing rice in the Instant Pot, you want to be careful with how much, getting some bigger pieces here, how much rice you do, because it will overflow in the Instant Pot, and that overflow container on the outside that you put on when you get your Instant Pot, it will not touch everything from rice. So be careful with that. I'm now going to add my garlic. And you're going to want 1½ cups of rice, rinsed until the water runs clear. 2 tablespoons or less, this depends on how spicy you want your stuff, of Cajun seasoning. 1 3/4 cups of chicken broth. And if I don't have enough with my chicken, I'll just use some I have jarred up. So now I'm going to add my rice. Oh, it's fogged up, I'm sorry. Kind of hard to get you where you can see. So here are my spices. I have my Cajun seasoning. I have salt. It's about a teaspoon. And I have some cayenne pepper just because I want it a little spicier, but you don't have to add that. It's a very small amount. It's literally the pinch spoon from Grandpa's measuring spoons. And you want to make sure that when you add your liquid, you get all the bits and pieces stirred up off the bottom, especially when doing rice, or you'll get that it's burning beep that the Instapot does. Okay. I gotta measure my juice. Pretty much perfect in my jar of chicken. So I'm just going to add the rest of that. My husband actually prefers water rice. So right now you want to make sure you stir the bottom of this. And you can use raw chicken to do this as well. So after you mix your rice and veggies, I would season the raw chicken with some of your Cajun seasoning. And after you mix your rice broth and everything, lay that on top. Okay. So now we put the lid on. Why is it when I'm on camera, this is always an issue, but off camera it's just lickety split, and I know it's on the right direction. Okay, we're closed. I'm going to turn off the saute, and I'm going to pressure cook for 8 minutes. And we want this sealed. Is that on airtight? Yeah, put it on airtight. And it's on high. And there you have it. In 8 minutes, this will be ready. So I will see you then. Okay, everybody, it's done. And I think I forgot to say you need to let this depressurize on its own. So when it does that and the pin drops, you can open your Instapot. And here it is. Oh, it smells so good. Now, you would eat this as is. And I would make a salad with it, but I'm actually going to stuff bell peppers with it and make stuffed bell peppers. But there it is, and let's taste it. See if it's seasoned. Perfect. It's really hot. Can you see that? And if you wanted to, when you were cooking this, you could add some diced tomatoes or whatever. It's good. It's not too spicy. It smells awesome. So there you go. A really fast recipe for your Instapot and using your home canned stuff. And that's why I didn't add excuse me, a lot of salt, because I knew that my broth and stuff had salt in it as well. So if you have any questions, post them down below. If you haven't subscribed, think about doing that. If you are subscribed, let me know you're down there, or in there, or on here, or whatever. And a thumbs up always helps me out. And I will see you in the next video. Have a great day, morning, evening, night, whatever it is where you're at. And I will see you next time. Bye.